Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Inventor. In this tutorial, you will learn to use the Extrude and Fillet. So open the Inventor and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the right plane and we will make the sketch of this face here. This line here has 150 millimeters. This one has 20 millimeters. And this line here has 60 millimeters. And this line here has 15 millimeters. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch and select the right plane. Select a line, click here in the midpoint. Make a line here with 60 millimeters. And make a line here with 20 millimeters. And I will make this sketch here and put the dimensions later. And go to dimension. This line here has 150 millimeters. And this line here has 15 millimeters of length. We made this one. And now, finish the sketch and go to extrude. We need to extrude this. And the distance is 80 millimeters. So the direction, select symmetric, and the distance here 80 millimeters and press OK. And now we will create the fillets. We have a fillet here with 20 millimeters of radius. And we have a fillet here with 15 millimeters of radius. So let's create this. Go to fillet. Select this edge and this one. The fillet here is 20 millimeters and press OK. And go to fillet again. Select this edge and this one. The fillet here is 15 millimeters and press OK. We made this one. And now we will create this two slot. 90 millimeters by 20. And it is concentric with this arc. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch and select this face. And here, go to slot, center to center slot. And here find the center of this arc. Move the mouse here to show the center. And the distance here is 90 millimeters. And the distance here is 20 millimeters. Let me move the dimensions a little bit. Make the same in the other side. Find the center of this arc. 90 millimeters by 20 millimeters. And finish the sketch. Go to extrude and make a cut here. Select this to profile. The output, select cut. And the distance here through all and press OK. We made this one. And now to finish this, we need to create this two hole. This hole is concentric with this arc and has 15 millimeters of diameter. So go to create a sketch and select the back face here. Select a circle, find the center of this arc, make a circle here with 15 millimeters and create another circle here with 15 millimeters. And finish the sketch, go to extrude, select these two circles. The output is cut and the distance through all. And press OK. So that's it. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.